Welcome to your step-by-step guide on assembling the pumpkin two-piece planter, a perfect way to showcase vibrant mums and festive fall arrangements. Let's start by setting up your workspace. For the best results, use a solid, stable surface above knee height. This will give you a comfortable and secure area to work on, making assembly smooth and efficient. The pumpkin planter is made of two sections, the top and bottom, which snap together securely using 4 built-in clips inside the planter. Each skid includes an assembly support disc. Place the disc with the square piece facing up. Then, set the bottom half of the planter onto the disc, ensuring that the square section aligns with the disc's square shape. Now carefully position the top piece, aligning the snap-on pins with the pinholes for a seamless fit. Before securing, gently run your hands along the edges to ensure the two sections are properly aligned. Keeping your elbows straight, press firmly down on the bottom surface, focusing on the sides to lock everything into place. Finally, pick up the planter and double-check that all 4 snaps are securely in place. And just like that, your pumpkin planter is assembled and ready to celebrate the beauty of fall. Thank you for choosing our pumpkin planters. We hope this guide makes your assembly process easy and efficient. Happy planting and happy fall.